Yo, what is going on, everybody? The Carman back here again. Happy 4th of July 2026. Happy 250th birthday, America. Love you. Hope you guys like, comment, subscribe to the Carman. I could come live 1, come live 2. Fireworks again. All right. I'm just showing you fireworks across my neighborhood where I'm located here. There's fireworks everywhere. Was the reason why 4th of July is a big thing here in the USA, where I'm at right now. Celebrate this country's independence. 250 years ago today, this country was born. And of course, I'm in, where I'm obviously, the city where outside my home, where I usually do my YouTube videos from, which I usually do inside in the bedroom over there, the light on over there to the left, as you can see behind the fence there. Yeah, you might be thinking, where did my flagpole go? I don't even know what happened. I'm so confused. That was a good firework right there and over there. Doing the fireworks they're doing them all over my neighborhood over here where I'm at. As you can clearly see. Obviously know where I'm at. You can clearly tell. Hopefully let's see some more fireworks over here on the back end over there. Tomorrow I might get some actual ones maybe. So you guys can see. You obviously know where I'm actually at seeing these fireworks. Outside my home like usual. Where I usually do my YouTube videos from. This building right here to the right. Where I usually do my videos from. Inside of my bedroom. You obviously know the drill. You guys get the idea of where I'm doing this. Alright? I'm doing this at the end of the video right here. Above the house. This is pretty good so far. I actually like this. Can't wait to see what tomorrow is going to bring us. Okay, I don't see fireworks on this side, but there's some behind me. There's one over there. There's some over there. There's one over by that house. Just above the house here. It's got to be more. Over by that tree. Oh, behind. Over there. Man, fireworks are everywhere tonight. Especially what's going to happen tomorrow. I don't even I can see some fireworks over there on the back. Some over here by the tree. There's some over here by the tree. Oh, I missed that one. Come on. Oh, that was good. Yes. Even though tomorrow there's going to be more tomorrow. Fireworks are everywhere tonight. They're everywhere. This is what Independence Day is all about in America. Especially in America. This is why I love USA. It's because of these fireworks on the 4th of July. Yep, we gotta get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed this 4th of July video. Happy 4th of July, everybody. See you guys in the next video. By the way, of course, I'm right here.